A full kitchen renovation can be quite expensive. It's easily the most expensive room in your home to renovate. So how do you change the look of your kitchen on a budget? Here are just 3 amazing ways to transform your kitchen without embarking on a full renovation. Tip number 1. Paint is such a great way to transform any room, and your kitchen is no exception. Paint your cabinets. A quick, easy decision. From wood to white. Now you've got a classic kitchen that looks bigger and brighter. Or maybe white is not your thing. Any color will do. How about a dark, moody kitchen? Or an updated neutral kitchen? If you already have white kitchen cabinets, paint your lower cabinets a great color. Have fun with it. Or paint one key part of your kitchen cabinetry. The island is an easy way to modernize your kitchen. Or create an instant new focal point by making your range hood a different color from the rest of your cabinets. Maybe painting cabinets is a bit too daunting for you? Why not just paint your walls a dark, bold color? All of a sudden, your bland kitchen will be exciting and dramatic. Tip number 2, the floor space of your kitchen is an important surface area, and it can be costly to change to a more updated look. The solution? Add a great area rug with lots of personality. An area rug can fill the space with lots of opportunity for texture, color, and maybe even some pattern. Don't be shy, kitchen floor mats tend to be small. Instead, look for a carpet runner for long galley kitchens or spaces between cabinetry and a kitchen island. Make it all about your personality. There are so many options. A modern bold stripe. Or a more traditional pattern. Are you warm and welcoming? Are you festive and fun? Completely change the look of your kitchen by adding a whole new layer of color, pattern, and texture on the floor. And tip number 3, dress up your windows and patio doors with window treatments. A Roman shade is a great way to add a pattern to your kitchen sink window. Choose one that really speaks to your desired kitchen style. Stripes or ticking fabric for a clean and fresh vibe. Or a lovely floral for a little charm. And natural woven shades offer up tones of texture and charm. You'll love how your attention turns to your sink when you've got lovely woven shades. And we can't forget your sliding patio doors. Adding fabric to doors and other windows in your kitchen, like curtains, can add so much appeal. Drapery doesn't even have to close completely if you're not worried about privacy. Stationary curtain panels on either side of your sliding patio door can add so much interest to your kitchen. And if they're stationary, that means less fabric. And less fabric will make it more affordable. Soft sheers are great at adding a light, breezy look without too much bulk and heaviness, letting the natural light shine through. Adding fabrics to your kitchen will always add warmth and character to a space that is usually full of hard surfaces like cabinets, tiles, and countertops. So whether it's curtains or shades, fabric is key. Check out this video if you want to learn more about blinds and shades for your home. It's full of great info and will tell you which ones are classic and worth your investment. I'll link it below. So there you have it, 3 easy ways to transform your kitchen without breaking the bank. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I've got loads of interior design tip videos on this channel, so make sure to check it out. If you've got a design challenge, I probably have a video for it. Also, check out my Patreon page if you need more personal design advice from me. Here's the link. Not only can you support the channel and help me make more videos, but you can also get a 30-minute design consultation with me. So do check it out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. I'll see you next time.